Hey guys, MJ23 Bama coming to you. It's March 20th, 2021. I hope everyone's doing all right with COVID. I just had to take off my studded winter tires. As you can see, they're in there right now. I just had them taken off. I had the factory tires that came with the car. I just had to replace them. Had 40,000 miles in them. I replaced them with the Goodyear Assurance Max Life. These are 225 45 R18s. The factories are 225 40 R18s. These are 225 45 R18s. So it's got a little bit, just a little bit more thickness here. I will tell you, these Goodyear Max Lives, they do ride nice and soft. I'm very happy with them. They're supposed to have a 85,000 mile warranty on them, so I do about 30,000 miles a year, so I need something with some good long life on them. I paid $729 for them installed. That include a four-wheel alignment, and it's got a $50 mail-in rebate. So that's what, $679 for 4 tires. Not bad. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe.